Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play an amazing guessing game. Are you excited?
Yes, Mom, I am excited.
Okay, we will learn G words. I will show you some videos of G words and you have to guess the correct thing. Let's go. Can you guess what is this?
Goat,
Amazing. Now what is this one?
grasshopper,
Very good. Now can you guess what is this one?
garlic,
Very good. Now can you guess what is this one?
goose,
Very good. Amazing. Now next one. Can you guess this?
glass,
Very good. Now can you guess what is this one?
gift,
Amazing. Now let us see this one.
glue,
Very good. Now can you guess what is this one?
clothes,
Yes, now this one. This one is your favorite fruit.
grape,
Amazing. Now can you guess this thing?
glasses,
Perfect, kids. Now I am going to show you another musical instrument.
guitar,
Perfect. And this one is a nice sport.
golf,
Amazing. What is this one?
gas,
Perfect. Now let us see what is this one.
gate,
Amazing. Now Let us see this one.
Globe.
Awesome. And this one.
Golf ball.
Amazing. You have guessed all the correct keywords today. It was really amazing. Keep it up. Did you enjoy today's quiz?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. See you tomorrow for more fun learning. Thank you, everyone.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye, friends.